Everyone rejects it, but it's worth gold. Look what you can do with this. Coffee is the second most consumed drink in the world, only after water, and, although for many years its benefits have been questioned, today it is valued as a healthy food that can contribute much to our health. Many people cannot start the day without drinking a cup of coffee in the first place. The latter acts as a stimulant and generates a sense of pleasure and vitality, allowing you to perform better performing activities that require more energy and concentration. However, in addition to being a healthy drink and perfect for waking up, coffee has other alternative uses that can facilitate different work at home and great for beauty remedies. Today we want to share some of the uses that can be taken into account to make the most of the remains of coffee that apparently are no longer useful at all. Here we tell you what they are. 1. Neutralizes odors. The coffee powder has a pleasant and strong aroma that can easily neutralize odors. To combat bad odors in the refrigerator or in the car, put about 3 tablespoons of coffee or their remains in a small container or a mesh bag to store in a corner of the place in question. 2. How to hide gray hair or white hair. Dyes are the most effective product to hide gray hair that begins to appear, usually from the age of 36 years. However, for those who fear hair health or prefer natural alternatives, coffee may be the best option. Prepare a well-loaded coffee, and use it to rinse all the hair at least 3 times a week. Allow it to cool to facilitate application by the hair roots. Leave on for 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. 3. Fertilizer. Plants grow more easily on acid soils when fertilized with ground coffee. Coffee mantles hold important nutrients that stimulate the growth of plants, such as azaleas, rhododendrons and blueberries.